Hello dear student. So in the first part of the poem Malu and Balu, we are seeing how Malu is a clever, brave, adventurous girl, polar bear, and the way she deals with the things exactly motivates us greatly. So in life we should also learn something. If we do not know something, please try to learn that thing. If you do not know, it doesn't mean that you cannot do that. Alright, so you can do it definitely when you have decided in your mind. We always say that where there is a will, we can surely find a way. So let's go for a new words here. We have the first word, new word, lair. Lair means wild animals lying place. So where they are lying means living, exactly, it's called as lair. Second word is mane. Mane means, I told you, long hair on the neck of some animal. So back and front part of the neck, this one, and there are long hairs. You might have seen lion as well, how hairs are there on his mane. So that part of animal is called here mane. Clasp means here encircle, means hold closely. Encircle means circle only, hold closely. And might means great strength. Alright, here it is not auxiliary verb. Might means here great strength. Alright, okay. Let's go for a question answer. Let's see them. So reading is fun. Look at the first question. Don't worry, I'll be also sending you the question answer in Google Classroom. First question. Where did the polar bear live with her family? So polar bear live high up in the icy lair. Alright, so polar bear lived in icy lair. Second question, what did Malu learn to do from her parents? So Malu learned how to catch fish, that is big and small. Number third, where did Malu want to travel? Malu wanted to travel beyond the big blue sky. So big blue sky, it means sea. Alright, okay. Fourth question, what was it that Malu's parents wanted her to learn? So Malu's parents wanted Malu to learn swimming. Alright, okay. Fifth question, was Malu scared to swim? Did she learn it easily? There are two questions. So we'll answer first question. Yes, Malu was scared, feared to swim, but swimming came so naturally that she learned it easily. Alright? Yes, in the beginning Malu was scared because she doesn't know how to swim it, but swimming came so naturally and she learned it easily. Alright, look at the sixth question. Read the last two stanzas of the poem. Whom does she stand for in both? So if you look at the last two stanzas, look at that, brave mother's brave young daughter. So who is young daughter here? Malu, correct? So she stands for Malu here. And look at here, but swimming came so naturally, her mother knew this and all could see, fearless was Malu and she knew. So she again here, and that stands for Malu, correct? So in both the stanzas, that she stands for Malu. Alright, so you can write that the last two stanzas of the poem, she stands for Malu. Alright, look at the second question. See the picture shown below and talk about it. Okay, you can see the picture. Already the page has not taken completely here because we have some limit here to take the page. So when we can see this picture, the girl Malu is trying to learn how swimming could come, and Balu, Malu's mother, is trying to give her the training that how you should swim into the water. Alright. So every child is expecting or should be given training by their parents, because we do not know everything what is happening, and when the child is trying to learn something, at that time the parents, the teachers advise training is important here, and that we must get that. All right, and don't stop that as you are, new to it, or it's hard to it, or it is difficult to it. Don't do all those things. Don't find any options not to do the things, but you can find the way to do it exactly what you want it. So this is the chart actually, and we'll talk about first true and false, and then we'll write a sketch of Malu and Bhalu. Okay, let's see that first. Malu's hair was white. Yes, correct. So it is true. So first one is true. Malu knew how to swim. No, it is false. Malu doesn't know how to swim. She learned it afterwards. Malu was playing with the penguins. No, false. Is also false. Number 4, sorry. Malu was good at catching fish. Yes, she was good at catching fish. It's true. Malu was a brave Bhalu. Yes, she was brave. You can tick correct. Malu did not love her mother. No, it is wrong. Leave it, cross it, false. Malu's mother was firm. Yes, it is true. So these are all the answers, true and false. Now let's go for a character sketch. Now what do you mean by character sketch? Character sketch means you need to write a short note on a particular character. Suppose any child's name you want to take. So you can suppose I am taking Malu's name. So Malu was brave, Malu was strong, she was eager to learn more things. Alright, she was impatient, she cannot wait for a situation. She is female. Alright, she is affectionate, loving. So these are all points coming to Malu only. So that is what character sketch. So we can write here some points which are selected for this, like brave we can write, strong we can write, eager to learn more we can write, then caring we can write, impatient we can write, female we can write, bold we can write, adventurous we can write, young, fearless also we can write. Many other adjectives will come here. After that we can write a short note that Malu is a very brave girl. Alright, Malu is very brave girl and she was fearless when she jumped into the water. Okay, and her mother was loving to her, she was very caring for her, and there are many adjectives you can take from this passage, this chart, these words given here. Brave, strong, Malu was very eager to learn many things. So these are all the points can be taken from it and right here in this passage. Alright, so first of all you will write with Malu that Malu was brave girl, she was very strong, and she was always eager to learn something more as she wanted to go beyond the big blue sky. Her mother Bhalu was caring for her and she was very much affectionate to her daughter. Okay, Malu was young and she was fearless as well. So such are the points. You can just make a list of this and note down in this passage here. I hope it is clear to you. Try your best and write a wonderful passage on Malu and Bhalu. Alright, thank you so much dear children. Good luck.